Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to delete your add-ons and your DLC for your PlayStation 5 and PS4 games. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So if you're on your PlayStation 5 console and you want to know how to delete add-ons and DLC for your PS4 and your PS5 games, how do you go ahead and do that? Well, it's very easy to do. On the home screen of your PlayStation 5, if you go to the game you want to go ahead and see your DLC for, all you have to do is go to it, press options on it, open up this options menu, then scroll down to manage game content. Select this. Then you're going to be able to see all the game content, your DLC, your add-ons, etc. Under here for Black Ops, I can see the multiplayer, the zombies, Dead Ops Arcade, and if I scroll down, here's the add-ons section where I can go ahead and download the campaign packs 1, 2, and 3. If I scroll down even further, I can see the language data, including English, Spanish, French, and etc. All I have to do is go to the right of it and then select the arrow to install it, otherwise go to the trash can to delete it. So here's Dead Ops Arcade. Let's go ahead and go to delete. And it's deleting that game content. And I can reinstall it very quickly as well. Now there is another way I can do this is by going to settings, then going to storage, and then going to games and apps. And if I look to the right of the game, if there is an edit option for game DLC, I can select this. I can see the multiplayer and the zombies mode. I can go ahead and delete very easily. So let's delete the zombies mode, press OK, and then go to delete. And boom, I just deleted the DLC and add-ons for that game. Now, not every game has DLC and add-ons. If I go to, let's go to Rayman Legends, press options on this, and go to manage game content, there's nothing listed under here. So some games will have it and some games will not. So let's go to Modern Warfare / Warzone, go to manage game content, and there's some stuff in here as well, like the multiplayer packs, etc. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.